Hi and welcome back to my channel. This morning we're just going to make this cute little pocket heart. Very simple. And I basically stuck the heart and the eyes onto the circle. So you'll need any color yarn that you're going to use. Crochet needle of the appropriate size. 2 googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, please use buttons. Some glue to stick your googly eyes if they are not peel and stick. And a pair of scissors. I'm just adjusting my camera a bit more. Right, so I'm going to use red for this one. And we're going to do the circle at the back. And I'm just showing you a pair of scissors because I forgot to put it closer. You're going to start with a magic ring. And you're going to chain 2. The first chain counts as your first double crochet. From here, you're going to make 14 double crochet. So including your 2 chain, that will be a total of 15. All right, we're nearly done. Right, let's just make sure we actually have 14. Right, now pull your ring closed. And you're going to slip stitch into the very first stitch that you made. Right. For row 2, you're going to chain 2. That counts as your first double crochet. In the exact same space that you have the chain 2, make 1 double crochet. In the next 14 stitches, you're going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So 2 double crochets per stitch. That will give you a total of 30 stitches when you come to the end of that row. And I'm going to meet you right back there. So you would have done your 30. And you're going to slip stitch again into the very top of that stitch. Now for the arms. That's how your second row will look. No. I shouldn't be doing that, sorry. You're going to chain 7 for the arms. So 1 arm at a time. Once you make your chain 7, you're going to single crochet into the second chain space. And then you're going to single crochet to the end. Now, slip stitch into the very next stitch. So the stitch that you used, the next stitch. And you're going to slip stitch 14 times in total. So the one you did plus 13 more. So that we can do the other arm. Now for the second arm, same story, chain 7, single crochet in the second hook, second chain space, and then single crochet each of those chain stitches. When you get to the end, slip stitch and slip stitch into each and every stitch across until you get to the arm you just did, where you started your chain 7. So the stitch before where you started, you will slip stitch in there, make a chain space, make 1 chain, pull tight, cut your yarn long enough so that you can stitch it in or crochet it in. You can use a darning needle to crochet it in. I'm just going to use a smaller size crochet hook to work the ends in. I prefer working with a crocheting hook. I can pick up more stitches faster, but a darning needle works just as well. Now you're going to just snippy those ends off. There you go. You can either use a darning needle and secure a heart to this. Right. I made this heart on a previous video, and I'm going to link the video. The link to it will be in the description. And you're either going to paste using glue, or you're going to stitch on the heart and the arms. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video. I'll definitely get you on the next video. Don't forget, please like, comment, follow, subscribe, tag me in any of your videos that you do. Cheers.